In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot sync issues in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. If you're having trouble keeping your information up to date across all your devices, don't worry. Following these steps should help clear up any syncing issues you're experiencing. To begin our troubleshooting, let's look at one of the most common culprits, your internet connection. It's important to have a stable connection when you're using Notion, as it relies heavily on the internet to sync data. Take a moment to check your connection, whether you're on Wi-Fi or using mobile data. If your connection is unstable or weak, consider restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if this resolves the problem. You'd be surprised how often connectivity is the root of all our tech woes. Next, if everything seems good on the internet front, but the problem persists, try logging out of your Notion account and then logging back in. This act can sometimes refresh your app session, providing a much-needed reset. To do this, go to your account settings. Choose the option to log out, and once you've done that, log back in with your credentials. This process forces Notion to reload your data from the server, which might just solve the syncing problem. If logging out and back in doesn't quite do the trick, it might be time to clear the cache or the app data. Over time, apps store temporary files, which can occasionally lead to issues, including syncing problems. On a desktop browser, clearing your browser cache can often help. On mobile, you might need to navigate to your device settings to clear the cache for Notion specifically. Be warned that clearing app data on mobile might remove your offline content, so ensure any important work is saved to a stable online environment. Now, in some rare cases, even after checking your internet connection, logging back in, and clearing your cache, issues might still persist. In such cases, it's time to reach out for some professional help. Contact Notion. Support directly for assistance. They have the tools and info necessary to guide you through advanced troubleshooting steps or to diagnose potential bugs, and they're always ready to help. I hope you found this guide useful. By following these straightforward steps, you can usually clear up sync issues in Notion quickly and easily. Remember, staying calm and methodical is key to resolving your tech problems efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.